Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing the Winter FabFitFun subscription box. Before we get too far into this video, I have to share Ana Luisa for you. It's a perfect Christmas gift, so I love to share them around the holidays. I am wearing all of their rings here, so here are some of my favorites. These two are adjustable, so you can just make them fit any finger. I have my wedding band, but I also have two additional bands from them. You can see the ones that aren't the two infinity bands. They match perfectly and just add so much sparkle. I love. And then this one, I like to wear this one also with my wedding set, and then this super thin one. These are all my favorites. And then these earrings, just simple little posts. The earrings are also sensitive enough, sensitive enough for little ears. My daughter wears them too. She has a bunch and loves them. The necklaces, I'll share a slide here or a little video here of all of the ones that I have. I have like 20 necklaces from them, and some of them I've had for years, like 5 years maybe, and they stand the test of time. They do not wear, they don't make your skin weird, they don't tarnish. All right, I won't keep rambling, but make sure you go check them out. I will put the link in the description. I've gotten this box before. It's fun. I like that it is seasonal, so it's once a season, 4 times a year. You can pay by the box, which is $59.99, or you can pay for the year, which I think is like $220. So you save a little bit by paying for the whole year. But it's approximately 8 full-size beauty, health, wellness, lifestyle products. These aren't like little beauty samples. The value, I think, is close to $300 on this box, but it varies because you can customize your things that you get in your box. So it's not just a one box fits all. You get to pick what you get. So I chose these products, and they did send this to me. I will put all of the little information about it though below in the caption or in the description, along with the blog post that goes with this, but I just wanted to share in case you aren't familiar. I'm really excited. Let's see what because I actually forgot already what I picked for this season. So this box is made out of 100% recycled craft materials. A little sustainable pro there for the box. This is like paper packaging, so that's good too. And then all my products are in the box. The box is really cute too, this winter themed. All right, I think there's 2 things. Yes, is this Way? I think it's pronounced Way hair products. I got a detox shampoo. I felt like I've been needing one lately. Blondes, you definitely need to do like a clarifying or a detox shampoo, but I really like the thought of detox for like all the dry shampoo I use and like different products and things like that, and detoxing, kind of exfoliating my scalp in the winter, because I get kind of like that dryness where I feel like an exfoliator like this would help. So this is a scalp massager. I'm excited about this. Ooh, it's a cute color too. Here it is. Open it and show you. It's also the same brand Way, so you can hang it. It has a little hanger, and then it's a rubbery or silicone scalp massage. That's gonna feel really good. I'm excited about that. I'll let you guys know how this works and how I like it. I do think that they're a pretty clean brand. Let's see if they have fragrance. That's always the one that, yep, fragrance, and it's pretty high up actually on the list, so we'll see how strong it is. Sometimes fragrance honestly is just too strong for me these days. And then some I can handle. And yeah, like some products you use are gonna have fragrance, or some products are gonna be like not 100% clean. Clean living isn't about perfection. You can't open it. Maybe I'll try in a second. I'm gonna set this here. Okay, so there is the first thing. I think that was a set, or maybe it was 2. I don't know. Next is this little case. Your pills, vitamins. Oh, this is my vitamin case. I love this. I take a lot of supplements, probiotics, and then a few other things seasonally. It just depends. So I have this like funky one from like the dollar store. I'm really excited. This is cute, soft, kind of like, I don't know, velour or something. And then inside has your little compartment for pills and supplements. My Tagalongs is the brand, and it is so cute. Ooh, it smells weird, but that's going to be really good for travel. It's pretty slim too. That'll fit in a bag. And my tagalongs, did I already say that? So there's that. Okay, next there are 4 more things. I have Karuna Drench and Tone Duo. Ooh, I got these specifically because it was a pack, and I'm going to put a couple in my giveaways. So I have, along with the Ana Luisa stuff, I will put a couple of these, but there is tons of stuff in my giveaway pile. Essential oils, wellness, beauty, all kinds of things. I'll put a couple of these. I love a sheet mask. It's just such a good way to hydrate, get some good ingredients into your skin, and relax. And this is free of parabens, phthalates, formaldehyde, petrochemicals. So let's see if it has fragrance. Did I already? Yeah, it didn't say fragrance. Fruit, flower extract, and it does have fragrance. So that can be irritating to some skin. So I'm just pointing that out in case you are sensitive. It's hard to find stuff that's fragrance-free. Mark & Graham Stainless Steel Electric Wine Opener. Really excited about this. I just broke ours from our wedding, and that was 8 years ago. So I had the same one for 8 years. So I wanted to get this fancy one. The top has batteries. And, ooh, it's cool. It's pretty small, too. I felt like it was going to be, like, huge. So this won't take up too much space. And it's like really nice. So it just battery operated, and you push the button and it pulls your cork out of your wine bottle. So that's really cool. Is this a stand? What is this? Yeah, okay. Cuts the paper off too. That would be a really good gift too. I have 2 more things. They're both beauty products. Ooh. I need this right now. My lips are so dry. This is Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. Really pretty packaging. Hopefully you can see. There we go. And then it's going to be a little container. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. So that's cute. An upgrade from my, I was just looking in my, oh, it has a little applicator. Love that, because these are gross in my opinion, just little pots of product like salve and balm. You're just dipping your finger in there. I love that it comes with an applicator. It smells just lightly like vanilla. It's a lip treatment balm. I don't know what the ingredients are, but it's really, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of shimmery, iridescent, like a pinkish iridescent. And then yeah, this comes out and it's your little applicator. Love that a lot. I put some of the lip balm on. It feels really nice. Nice little close-up. It's kind of minty feeling too. I feel like there's some menthol happening, but it's very luxurious feeling. I can't even describe it. It's very buttery smooth without being sticky, but you can tell it's like thick enough where it's gonna last. Is that a good description? Okay, last thing is Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. Super long name. I actually don't think I've ever tried Hourglass Cosmetics. This is the shade I Am, and it's a beautiful lipstick. Get it out. Ooh, ooh, fancy. I could stab someone with that though. This is so like pointy. Okay, so yeah, oh yes, here is the lipstick. It's a very small tube of lipstick. I'm not sure the price of this, but just first impression on looking at the size. I mean, this is super skinny. This is beautiful though. My goodness. All right, I'll do a little swatch. Ooh, it's a very pretty, like medium nudish pink. I can't even, it's like a rose pink actually. And it looks like a very shiny, like beautiful finish. That's really pretty. Very pigmented too, so you won't need a lot. Yeah, I love this. I haven't gotten any new lipsticks in so long. Really any makeup out of my comfort zone in a really long time. Okay, so I'll do a recap. I got the Way shampoo, detox shampoo, and massager for your scalp. This feels really good. I love this. And I love that it's kind of shiny too. I usually put this kind of product on at night, but you can wear this like during the day too. Look how cute this is. Love. And then my lipstick, my vitamin holder, which I'm very excited about, the sheet masks, and my wine opener. I will put the link to shop FabFitFun in the description, and just more about it too in case I talk too fast or you missed something. I might have a coupon code, I'm not sure. I'll put that down below if I do, but I'm really excited about this. I love, it's just like Christmas every season with these seasonal boxes, so I really like them. The link to shop Ana Luisa will also be in the description below. You guys will love them. It's just a timeless classic. Love everything I've gotten from them, and they stand the test of time, so make sure you check them out too. Great gift idea. If you have any questions on anything I shared, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.